Happy Vlogmas Day 2, you guys. Today I have for you guys my going out makeup look. This is the look right here, and I really wanted to film this for you guys because this is also the makeup look that I wore for Thanksgiving a couple videos back. If you haven't checked that out, please go do so. And I really wanted to film this for you guys, and hopefully it helps you, and hopefully you like this makeup look. If you want to see how I achieved this very quick minimal steps makeup look, then just keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoy this Vlogmas Day 2 video, and I will see you guys later. Alright guys, I'm so dumb because when I started the makeup tutorial I didn't have my shirt on, and I realized after I put like a tiny bit of foundation, I was blending down my neck. I was like, oh, like guys, like make sure like I don't even know what I was saying, but I remembered that I'm wearing a white shirt today, and I was like, oh my god, like I can't get on my shirt, blah blah blah, and I didn't even have my shirt on, so I had to like go right now, put my shirt on, and like make sure my makeup that I had already started didn't get on it, and it didn't. But I'm wearing this turtleneck, it's really cute today. But I'm going to continue the makeup video now and just tell you what I used to prime my face. I just basically, it was literally like 2 seconds, so I didn't really film much before noticing. But I got this little primer when I picked up my Better Than Sex mascara. And it's just it's a 3-in-1 hangover replenishing primer and setting spray, so it works for both. So I did it like this, sprayed it, and then I rubbed it in, patted it in so that it all gets absorbed. But that's the only thing that you guys missed from that. And I started putting on my foundation, and I was talking about that I love how it looked for Thanksgiving. If you didn't see that video, you can go check it out, and how my makeup was in that video. This is basically what I do for going out and what I did for Thanksgiving. And I actually for the first time used a brush to put on my foundation, and I loved it. And I'm just using this brush. It kind of looks a little angled, and these are from Amazon, my brushes, so I will try to link them down below. And I use the Fit Me Maybelline foundation. It's not like the dewy one or the matte and poreless one. This is actually pretty old, and it didn't really have like a label to it, but I'm in the shade 235 for reference, and it is pretty dewy. So I just put a little bit of powder in my T-zone because I get a little oily. So now we can continue, because I'm not done putting foundation. I literally wasn't even done until I noticed. So let's continue this makeup look. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit more foundation after I shook it on my hand. Just a little bit. The only thing, like the downside to this foundation, is I wish I had a pump. That'd be so much easier. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and buff it in my face, and reapply anywhere that I want a little more coverage. I really like how the brush didn't really take away product from it, as like wetting your beauty blender and using a beauty blender. And I think it's just faster, to be honest, the brush. Okay. And guys, for Christmas, it is literally Vlogmas, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna try my hardest, like I said before, because finals are coming up. But I'm pretty good with like prioritizing myself and organizing. So that's what's going on. And today, I'm going to the city with my boyfriend. We have a nice day planned. We're gonna go shop around, we're gonna see the tree because I've never seen it before, so I'm really excited. And it's a city vlog, so I am so happy that I get to vlog that for you guys from Vlogmas, because I know I like watching people's vlogs when they go to the city and stuff, and I'm pretty sure you guys will be too, especially if you're not from around here. So I'm bringing you guys along with my day, and it's gonna be so much fun. And we're gonna eat some good food. So I'm very excited about that. Okay, now moving on to the concealer that I use. And I really like this one. I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. I have quite a lot of concealers actually, but this is really nice because it blends out so easily. And again, I'm using brushes for this whole makeup routine, which is something I never really have done before. So I don't know, new makeup routine. No, but I really like this, and I use this in the shade Light Pale, and I don't do it on my T-zone. I don't know, I just don't. I just do it under my eyes like that, and that's it. Because I don't like that whole look, I don't know. Personally, I just don't like it. And I'm gonna take my little brush. What's this one? I'm gonna take this little brush. It kind of looks like a little angled as well, and blend that out, pat it in, look up. Make sure you look up when you're doing this. And I just kind of twirl it around, bring it down. So after I blend everything seamlessly, I'm going to set my under eye and set my T-zone, because you don't want to crease. And I love this powder. I use the Rimmel Stay Matte, and it is the transparent one. They have different ones, I think. But I really like this one because it literally does exactly what it says. It literally gets rid of like any oils, and it lasts for about 5 hours, it says. And I honestly think that's right, like, because after 5 hours, like, you can touch it up a little bit. This doesn't cake up at all. It literally makes your face look so smooth, and it is literally so freaking good. I also have the Laura Mercier powder, and I like to typically use that for more of like events that are going to be like an all-day type of thing. Like if I was going to a Sweet 16, like I used it for prom. But if I'm just going out, or like something not the whole entire day that I want it to be like super flawless and long lasting, then I'll use that. But if not, I use this, and it is the best. And I use it on this pointy little brush that gets perfectly under your eye. Just take a little, and that's it for that part. Now my favorite part of the whole routine is bronzer. That's my favorite part. If I can use just one product for the rest of my life, would be bronzer. I feel like it makes such a difference, and I'm obsessed with bronzer. So I use the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and this one is in, I think there is different like shades to it, but I'm not really actually sure which one this is. I don't know. And I just take it on this big, pretty fluffy brush, because look at that, it's so pretty. I'm gonna go away from my shirt. Just get a good amount and apply. And I don't bring it too down, I bring it more like up, because you want to enhance your cheekbone. And then my Alright, so that's it for bronzer. I don't like go crazy. And then I'm gonna go in with blush, and this is actually pretty old. It's literally all cracked, but I really like blush in the winter. I like that look of like rosy cheeks and stuff, because it's like cold outside. It looks like we were just outside. And this is just a L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Blush, and it's, I don't know if there's a color. It's called Rosy Outlook. So I'm gonna take this on angled brush. It already has some blush. So I just take it, and it's all cracked. And then I just dust off the rest. And smile. is I'm going to sweep it across my nose really quickly. To give you that like rosy look. And then I'm going to put a little bit of bronzer in my crease. I really like this step because, I don't know, it brings like a little bit of warmth to your eyes, but it doesn't make you look, it's not like too much. It's very, very light. So I'm gonna just take it on this brush and sweep it in my crease. I will tell you a couple of tips and tricks though. What I like to do is I get a mirror that's like up close and I curl one lash, put the mascara on right away just so that the lash holds and it doesn't fall. Alright guys, that is it for mascara. Look at the difference. I'm just gonna lift it up. Like, look at the difference. Mascara is my best friend, honestly. Now I'm going to just spray my makeup and set it. That's really it for my makeup. I'm just gonna shake this up. And fan it. This smells so good. It smells like coconuts. It smells really good. Just fan everything. And then lastly, I'm going to put on my favorite lip gloss, and this is the NYX Butter Gloss. I've talked about this before. It's in the shade Fortune Cookie. It's like my go-to. I don't do too much on my lips either, just because, I don't know. Just put a little. It smells so good. Okay, this is my favorite go-to makeup look for just going out, going to a party, Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, honestly, whatever the case is. So this is the finished look. Alright guys, so this concludes my going out makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this and found it useful. I will try to link everything that I used down below, and I hope you guys enjoy this Vlogmas Day 2. I'm so excited. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, especially if you're new here. I'm going to be posting every day for Vlogmas for the month of December, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.